In this video, we learn how to analyze threats. For each threat, we look for answers to these questions. How many endpoints did the threat infect? What did the threat attempt to do? Did the threat succeed to damage, or to change anything? To analyze a threat, I open its More menu, and click Analyze. Let's look at this threat. I click Seen on Network. This threat infected these endpoints. To learn the threat's purpose, I see there is a link to Virus Total. I see that this threat makes itself look like part of the Windows operating system. To learn what the threat actually did, I open Attack Overview and Attack Storyline. This threat created processes. It created files, changed files, and deleted files. It created an executable where it should not have done. This tells me that we should remediate the changes and prevent this threat in the future. Let's look at something that isn't so clear. Let's look at a suspicious item. In the dashboard, I deselect Active. I leave only Suspicious selected. I click More, and then Analyze. The forensics of this suspicious item shows it did not spread. I see in indicators that the agent marked this as suspicious for these reasons. This one catches my eye. A nullsoft installer. From here, I could ask the user of the endpoint if they know about this installation. But I think I know enough to call this a threat. Thanks for watching.